Hello everybody. Today we are here to share with you the COVID-19 relief response programs by Waldo Foundation, Anna Rasoi, along with Indian Special News. As you know, COVID-19, the biggest problem which has emerged after this pandemic is hunger, food, availability of food, access to food, food affordability, food security, food safety, food chain, everything linked to the food. In fact, food is the only vaccine for this hunger pandemic. We are also raising awareness through Indian Special News, our magazine for CSR and sustainability by World Hope Foundation, where we talk about Anna Rasoi, Ration Bank, An-Utsav, Food for All, and pledge your love for humanity. In this crisis, it is very important for people to support each other. As Feed India Special, food, which is the basic requirement for survival. COVID-19 and hunger, again food, CSR and hunger, CSR and malnutrition, corporate social responsibility special. We talk about coronavirus pandemic, hunger, poverty, food chain, public health and safety, lives and livelihood, environment and health, climate change, and water. Everything is integrated. In this universe, when the human lives are there, they need basic minimum food, 2 times food, clean water to drink, oxygen, clean air. That is the bare minimum. That is also becoming a very big challenge in pandemic. Zero hunger, mission zero hunger. Also in the Sustainable Development Goals 2030, when it talks about goal number 1, no poverty, and goal number 2, zero hunger, and goal number 17, partnerships for the goals. So we are primarily talking about SDG goal 1, 2, and 17. To achieve this goal of food relief, we need partnerships with the corporates, industry, academia, associations, councils, and we are raising the issues through various Indian Special News magazine, how important food is for the empowerment of the underprivileged children, how important food is for the education of underprivileged children, and what is the cycle, poverty, hunger and malnutrition. This is a vicious cycle. To break the cycle of poverty and hunger, we need to provide food to these poor and hungry. Even skilling the underprivileged children. Food is a very big motivator for children, for their parents, for their families. When they have enough food, they don't send their children to work, and then children are able to focus on their learning. So, for empowering the underprivileged children through the food relief programs, and also then the education support for the children. And this is all done through Indian Special News, CSR special, when we talk of nutrition, health, environment and food. You see, food is very, very important part of all our work since over a decade now. Education, nutrition, health, skill development. So my appeal to the corporates and industry, that in this pandemic, this is hunger and poverty that is at alarming high. Please come forward in large numbers with the food partnerships, food sponsorships, corporate partnerships, CSR contributions, CSR collaborations, get ATG tax benefits and coverage in our magazine Indian Special News, and be a hunger hero, be a hunger champion, and feed the needy. In this corona, lockdown and bhukmari, only thing we need to do is at least feed the needy. कोई भूखा ना रहे, कोई बच्चा भूखा ना सोए. So please join the mission Zero Hunger.